cheers for them and have an amazing time. Saying this, I would like to request our respected Principal Sir, Rajit Tamang Sir, to take his seat. Senior Coordinator, Gopal Sir, Primary Coordinator, Purna Miss, ECA, Bindu Ma'am, and our Kindergarten Coordinator, Anjali Ma'am, and Kesab Sir. Thank you. Okay, next we have हाम्रो यहाँ खाता लगाउने हामी गर्दैछौँ। त्यसको लागि म अञ्जली मिश्र सारिना मिसलाई अगाडि जान अनुरोध गर्छु। Staff from principal sir. You are also parents. Some teachers.
Thank you, Anjali ma'am, Sarina ma'am, Rina ma'am. Now let's start our program. First, okay, we'll start with rhymes. Red, red, apple. Please children come forward. Agadi aunus baba, agadi aunus.
Connected. Connected.
Agadi ko baba.
Disconnected. Connected.
दुनियाँमा छ त्यो
Children ready? Down the page, children. Nathan, ready? Yeah. Children ready?
Disconnected. Connected.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
You must cut. Apple
Wow, that was lovely. Now we have. Okay. Now speech. Whose turn? Vedans. Rest, go and sit. Baba, aru bosnus ta? Vedans मात्रै यहाँ बस्नुस् हस्. Vedans, you stay. Okay.
Hello everyone, I am a doctor. I work in hospital. I treat sick people. I wear white coat. I speak politely with everyone.
Disconnected. Connected.
Namaste. Hello everyone. I am Moran.
Disconnected.
I am a great animal. I have 2 years, 1 so tall. I like to eat carrot. I can run very fast. Thank you.